Good day, ma'am. So, I am Arnaiz from 11 Gas A Providence. Here are the importance of project management plan in a business organization. Number 1. Strategic alignment. Mark Langley, the president and CEO of MTMI, has said, if your organization is not good at project management, you are putting too much at risk in terms of ultimately delivering on strategy. Strategic alignment is the process of linking the organization structure and resources with its strategy and the ultimate objective. All the clients that approach you or give you a project have certain objectives for their own organization, and this project is a step in achieving that goal. Project management is important here as it can align the task in such a way that the project connects the strategic alignment of the customers too. A project manager ensures that the project helps in fulfilling the strategic alignment of the organization. Number 2. Clear focus and objectives. Project management is important as it comes up with a proper project plan for achieving the strategic goals. If you leave the work of project management to your team, you will see that there would be no accountability. The team would be working without proper brief. There would be a lack in focus. It could be possible that there are no clear objectives due to not having a proper project description, and the project can get stuck when any risk or problem arises. Lack of clear goals was the most common reason for project failure in 2017. A project manager can prevent such situations by breaking the project into tasks and helping managing the team in completing the task on time. And by project analysis, the work is divided into small tasks, and the completion of these tasks leads to the completion of the project. An efficient project manager foresees the risk. Therefore, risk management is an important part of project management. If any risk or problem arises, an efficient project manager would be able to solve it without causing any delay in the project. Number 3. Leadership. It is important to have a leadership in our team in the company. A project manager is like a leader whose goal is to complete the project within the time and budget and deliver what was promised or better. Doing a project without project management is like sailing a ship of pirates without Captain Jack Sparrow. Without a leader, the pirates, in this case the team, doesn't properly know what they have to do. Leader guides the team and help them to bring out their greatest work. Project management provides leadership, motivation, vision, removes roadblocks, and inspires the team as and when necessary. A project manager or project management software ensures that there is accountability in the project. They keep the team on the same page, as ultimately it is the work done by the team that's going to result in the success or failure of the project. Number 4. Project planning. So we also have project planning. The average overrun of projects was 27%, but 1 in 6 projects had cost overrun of 200% on average and schedule overrun of almost 70%. This is due to a lack of proper planning. Project management ensures that the proper information is available to the organization and the clients of what can be achieved. what will be the budget, which resources would be used, and the duration to complete the project. Without proper project management, unrealistic goals can be set, which would ultimately lead to delayed or over-budgeted projects. A good project manager creates a clear process and sets realistic project milestones and achievable deadlines. Lastly is to reduce costs and quality control. In 2018, according to NPMI, 9.9% of every dollar invested was wasted due to poor project performance. That's $99 billion for every $1 billion invested. Project management reduces project costs by optimized use of resources, improving efficiency, and decreasing risk. Therefore, even the added cost of project management, you stand to gain much more, as it is important to deliver what was promised to the client. The project manager ensures that the quality of the deliverables remains up to the marks. The projects are to be delivered really soon, and such a rush may result in ignoring the quality. It's the duty of the project manager to deliver a quality project on time. Also, this is my conclusion. Lack of proper project management, clients and team are unclear of objects, no accountability is there. Risk of project failure is high and so on. Thus, the client and the team are exposed to disordered management, and a great project management can deliver you the hard-earned success that you deserve. Without PM, teams, the teams and the clients are exposed to chaotic management, unclear objectives, a lack of resources, unrealistic planning, high risk, poor quality, project deliverables, projects going over budget and delivered late. Great project management matters because project managers with great training deliver success. Project management creates and enables happy, motivated teams who know their work matters, so do their best work, and that project management enabled team ensures that the right stuff is delivered, stuff that delivers real return on investment and that makes happy clients. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.